Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to change language on Yahoo Mail application using your smartphone. First of all, launch open your Yahoo Mail app on your device and make sure that you are logged in. From the home page of Yahoo Mail, click on your email address at the top left corner to open up this expanded menu. Now click on the Settings button in the pop-up. Inside Settings, click on Manage Account at the top, and under Manage Account, tap the Account button right underneath your current email. Now from the Accounts tab, click on the Personal Settings option. In order to open up Personal Settings, you'll need to type down your passcode for your device and you will be taken to the Personal Setting page. From the Personal Setting interface, scroll down and tap on Language Preference. Now tap the drop-down and select a different language of your choice you want to change to. After you are done, click Done, and then you will be able to change your language preference in the Yahoo Mail application on your smartphone. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.